premium leather seating, your steering wheel controls for your Bluetooth voice activation. You also get a touch screen that also doubles as a backup camera, dual climate control, heated and ventilated seats. The list goes on and on and on, Paula, about what you can get with this particular vehicle. Now, let me tell you about the best part about getting a vehicle here with us. America's best warranty. We give you 5 years or 60,000-mile new car warranty, 5-year unlimited roadside assistance warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion warranty, and a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That exclusively here at Tameron, we double that to 20 years or 200,000 miles on that powertrain warranty at no cost to you, no strings attached, and it's good nationwide. So here's what I need you to do, Paula. Give me a call. My number is 205-380-6250, or you can call or text me on my personal cell anytime, 256-295-1573. Because here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Talk to you soon.